Now, fire officials are reminding families to stay safe if you're going to do your own fireworks.
Yeah, this after the nation saw a large increase in people being hurt or even killed by fireworks last year, putting on their own shows since so many displays were canceled due to the pandemic. Meteorologist Haley Vaughn joining us from the newsroom with the message from our local fire departments ahead of the busy holiday weekend. Haley?
Now that the rainfall has moved out of West Michigan, many people are probably excited to light off fireworks this weekend, but the Grand Rapids Fire Department says that this is a time where many people could get injured, and there is a way to prevent these injuries. There's been a 50% increase in deaths and injuries from fireworks-related incidents in 2020 compared to the year before. That's according to the U.S. Product Safety Commission. At least 18 people died from the firework injuries last year, with more than 15,000 people being treated for firework injuries in hospitals. Fire officials say the most dangerous fireworks are actually firecrackers and sparklers, which burn at temperatures of over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hot enough to burn some metals. Parents are being reminded to keep fireworks out of the hands of children. Always make sure that an adult is around anytime fireworks are being set off.
These products shouldn't be taken lightly. They are a source of ignition, and you yourself can become a part of that ignition sequence, and we certainly don't want that. We don't want you burned, we don't want you ended up in the ER, and we don't want you maimed for life, or worse, ended up in a fatal injury. So it's really important for people to pay attention to what's going on.
Firefighters recommend always lighting fireworks on a smooth surface and keeping a bucket of water or a garden hose handy in the case of a mishap. Never try to relight or handle malfunctioning fireworks, and never mix alcohol or drugs with fireworks because it can be a dangerous combination. Another note, while the percent of the recent showers actually helped us when it comes to the less likelihood of wildfires from fireworks, we're still technically dry across West Michigan. So avoid lighting fireworks near dry leaves or other flammable materials. In the newsroom, Haley Vaughn, Fox 17 News.
All right.